Welcome children in bio class. Children, you studied replication of DNA, and replication of DNA occurs by semi-conservative method. The hypothesis of semi-conservative method or mechanism of replication of DNA by semi-conservative method was proposed by Watson and Crick. Now you have to see evidences in support of semi-conservative model of DNA replication. In 1957, Matthew S. Michelson and Franklin W. Stahl did some experiment to confirm semi-conservative model of DNA replication. So what experiments was performed by Michelson and Stahl that you have to study here, and they have demonstrated DNA replication is only by semi-conservative method. For his experiment, they took the example of E. coli bacteria, Escherichia coli bacteria, and they grown E. coli bacteria in a culture medium containing N15 nitrogen. So there in this experiment you can see this is the culture medium, and in this culture medium N15 isotopes of nitrogen is present, because N15 nitrogen ammonium chloride salt is taken, and when E. coli bacteria was kept in that, this produced a population of E. coli with both strain of their DNA containing N15. They represented the parental generation, and their DNA with N15 both the strands was the heaviest. So when bacteria was grown in a culture medium containing N15, in this culture medium N15 isotopes of nitrogen is present, and the bacteria produced and their young ones which were produced, they have N15 in both strands. N15 is the heavier. Now this N15 strain bacteria was transferred in second experiment. So there are bacteria which contain DNA of N15. So these bacteria were transferred. Now in the second experiment, the bacteria with N15 transferred in a culture medium containing N14. So in this culture medium N14 nitrogen is present. N14 isotopes of nitrogen is there, and in this culture medium bacteria with N15 were transferred and allowed to multiply only for one generation. After one generation, the bacteria was studied. The DNA from this generation of bacteria which was isolated after about 20 minutes was found to be hybrid. Hybrid means there are two strains of DNA polynucleotide chain. One strain is of N15 and other strain is of N14. So this thick line is the N15 and other one is, that is the light, it is N14. So there N14 and N15. So this is the hybrid. So it means N15 bacteria, when transferred in a culture medium containing N14, and just after the one generation, means after 20 minutes, what bacteria were found? Their DNA is a hybrid and one strand is heavier and other strand is lighter. Heavier strain is of N15 and lighter strain is of N14. Now in the third experiment, when bacteria grown for second generation, then it was found in the second generation grown in the culture medium containing N14. So here in this culture medium N14 is present. Then after second generation was found, DNA extracted after 40 minutes. Then second generation of DNA was found that it had equal amount of hybrid DNA and equal amount of normal light DNA. So these two are heavier DNA, hybrid heavier, because in this one strand is of heavier, other strand is lighter, and these two strands are of lighter. Like this, if it allow for the third generation, then in the third generation it was found that 25% DNA hybrid and 75% DNA normal, that is of N14. So these experiments prove that replication of DNA occurs by semi-conservative method, because N15 is heavier isotopes of N14. So the heavy DNA molecule with N15 are separated from DNA with N14 only on the basis of densities by centrifugation. So in this way DNA was separated. Then in first generation it was found DNA are hybrid, in that one strain is a heavier, other strain is lighter. But in the third generation it was found there are 50% DNA hybrid and 50% DNA normal. Hybrid DNA, one heavier, one lighter, and normal, both strands are lighter. So this experiment proved that replication of DNA occurs only by semi-conservative method.